Building out the new store showroom for Ikea, Jacksonville, Florida. Chucky D, how you doing? Yeah, Hanrahan shirts everywhere. For you Hanrahan family members, there's probably about 35 Hanrahan shirts. Still here, building out Thursday, September 7th. And we're working tomorrow, believe it or not. But Jacksonville apparently does not seem to feel imminent danger. Cody. More of the crew. Hello, hello. Documenting. Alan. Juan. Anders. This is the dining area, tables and chairs. Gentlemen. Oh, coming through. No, just taking a little documentary in case none of this is here when we come back. Hey, Jeremy. Kitchen's already almost in. It kind of looks like a mess, but that's part of the process. And then see the countertop guys came in. The new black kitchen that Ikea is introducing. And it's like amazing here. And this is our saw room. More area that obviously has not been touched yet. But a lot of the merchandising walls are already put up. And we actually have a few of our Besta systems installed. We did this one yesterday. As you can see, there's still a lot of area here. It's missing kitchens. This is week 3 and we have 5 more weeks left, so still a lot of time, still a lot of merchandise to be built. Hanrahan Assembly is contracted to build everything in these stores. Install. This is the area where all the beds are. Quite a big store, lots of exercise, that's for sure. Some graffiti for the kids section, bunk beds. Hope I'm not making you guys dizzy with the camera movement. My apologies in advance. This closet system area, where all the closets and their accessories. My son Michael actually led this team at the age of 20 and was very impressive, so I'm proud of him. Got more closet systems, different types of doors that go on, drawers, things of that nature. Pull-outs, stuff for shoes. Nice little drawers with glass fronts so you can see into them. You can store watches and jewelry in these trays. Some of the doors are mirrored, some of the doors have different wood designs, some of the doors are actually just sliding glass doors. But young Michael Hanrahan led this whole build here. Still some left. This is, excuse me, more doors. Plenty of doors. There's probably about 10,000 different products in a new Ikea showroom. As you can see, we've lots of empty space still with all the schematics and blueprints. Still making my way around. But this is half the store, believe it or not. There's still another entire half of the store. Stores are huge. These are pony walls that have merchandise secured to them. There's another contractor that's in here securing these pony walls, or half walls if you will. And over here we have the restaurant side, which Hanrahan Assembly has nothing to do with, but it's pretty impressive. How's it going? I'm documenting. So they've got a lot of the restaurant in. Once they get this going, it's nice for the guys for a week because they train all of the people working in the kitchen, and so there's a lot of food to eat. So the contractors really like that week of the new store build. It's free food, why not? And we're moving on to the offices. And Ikea. It's employees. So we also build out all the furniture for their office, and we secure the cabinetry in here as well. And you see they're still setting up all the IT, but this is their computer room. They actually have their own room to take naps in, besides just having a restaurant. There's places like working for Google. And more office. Everything in here was built by Hanrahan Assembly. And this is their sign room. They do their own graphics. They have vinyl printers, digital imagery.
And no complaining if you don't like it.
Going back out into another part of the showroom, believe it or not. And some more kitchens in this area. Some lighting's already up, but still apparently obviously a lot to do. Sofas. Ikea has a lot of sofas. A lot of cushion stuffing. Again, my apologies, sorry, in advance if the camera's making you sick or dizzy. And this is our warehouse, which they have in every store. And the place is probably twice as big as the showroom. It's a massive warehouse. And hopefully all this is still here when we come back after the weekend. Some more of the crew. More of the warehouse. Some Ikea folks. And that's where the Ikea people hide, up in the corner of the store over there. And this is the front of the store. I've already got some stuff painted here. And we're in the recovery room. This is our $120,000 box machine. It has a bunch of holes in it. So like an air hockey table, except reversed. It's got a vacuum and like a vinyl plotter. It cuts out the cardboard to whatever kind of box you like. Every store has one of these. Hey, what's going on? Oh, getting ready for the storm. Real busy. That's about it.